your eyes at the top right of that screen as you watch my balance grow from $28,000 to over $102,000 in less than 18 minutes during this one-to-one training that I was doing with one of my mentorship members about an hour ago. Now, my question to you is, how long have you been trading and how long have you been unprofitable? Literally, tell me down in the comments after you smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so, because my channel is super tiny and I love creating content. I want to teach you how to do this, but you need to let YouTube know that you actually like these videos so that I can create more content for you. Now let's jump back into this. Look, first couple of setups were actually just basic support and resistance, and that's kind of what I was leading into while I was doing this training. So the last couple, what you're seeing right now, is just using the CCI and the Williams indicators because they're basically fortune tellers. They tell us exactly where the candles are going to go within the next 5 seconds. As you can see, I already knew that these candles were going to go up. Why? Because the Williams is telling me. I mean, it's really simple. Now, if you want to learn more about this, you want to learn the full shebang, use the link at the top of the screen. But again, if you want to kind of just stay right here on YouTube and learn more, you gotta let me and YouTube know that that's exactly what you want. And start by smashing that like, and I will see you in the next video. But I also want to see you inside my Telegram channel. Dude, it's free. Go check it out.